Dear student, this is the video tutorial for class 4. So related to the topic, that is logo. So logo introduction, that we go for this. So now that we start our discussion about that simple logo command and logo introduction. So what is that logo? That you understand here. What is that logo? If we go to check that I enable that my pen now. So logo is also that programming language. Okay, logo is also the programming language. It's very simple. So simple and easy to learn. So that means we can use this one for the children to write that in a computer and work with that some instructions that we understand. We learn MSW logo. Okay, we learn MSW logo. That means we will control the turtle, and turtle will, with the command, turtle will draw something on the screen. So what is that feature and what is the why we will use that logo command, that we understand. First of all, that first is that this one, it is a fun to use the turtle for drawing. That means turtle will be of that one. So turtle will be like this triangle shape, and turtle will draw that figures and according to given commands. Second one is that it enhance the logical sense of the children. That means logical sense, that means children can improve that logics how computer works, and with the machine or computer, children can interact with the command or with the instructions. Third is that it develops programming skills also to that children, and graphically it's very easy to understand and use. Okay, so that we see that when we will start that MSW logo, you will get these two screen. This is the screen, and this is known as the turtle. What is that? Turtle. So turtle is always that having that on that playground area. This is that playground area or drawing area that we see that one. So these two parts of that MSW logo screen, that is that this first upper part is that drawing window, and lower part is that command window. That command window, that means here recall the commands, that means recall we can do that one command, and here is that command input box, that means we can write command here. So command input box, that means here we can write command and we can input box. Okay, so here we can write that command, and this section is that figure will draw, screen is there, that means to draw that figure. So that means whatever we will draw, that will be available and that will be displayed here. Okay, now next is that turtle introduction. We understand what is the turtle and how it works. Turtle moves in a head direction as a forward. So this is the turtle. So turtle, you see that this is that head section, that means this one is head and this one is tail. So turtle is like this, we will see on the screen on that figure or the questions I will provide you. That you see here, turtle is used to draw the figure or shape in a drawing area. That means using this turtle we will draw the figure or shapes in the drawing area, that is upper part of that MSW window. That you see here, that turtle moves forward or backward. That you see turtle moves forward. That means what's happening? Turtle moves forward means turtle moves in this direction. So that means turtle head direction. So in head direction, this is head, this is head. So if turtle moves in head direction, this is known as forward direction moving. But turtle moves in a backward direction, that means behind that, opposite of that head direction, that means opposite of head direction. So that is move backward, that means opposite of head direction of head. Understood? So that means in a reverse way, that turtle will move, that is known as backward. And turtle moves right and left also, that means turtle moves in this direction, this is known as right turn. That means when turtle is having this face, and after right turn the turtle will change. So turtle face will be like this. So that means in this direction turtle moving forward, but in this direction turtle head is in this way. So this is known as right turn. What is that? Right turn. Understood? And when turtle moves in left direction, that means turtle is moving to the left direction. So that means turtle is going to that in this direction, and turtle move in this direction. But when turtle left turns, that means we perform that left turn like this, and turtle head direction will be go in this. That means this is known as left. Okay, this is known as left turn. Understood? I hope so. It's this much clear to you all. Now we understand some commands, that is FD. That FD means forward command, BK backward command, RT that is right, LT left turn, and this is CS for clearing the screen. These all values, these all commands will have some values. Some values means that we will use, this is known as argument. That means when we will write that FD, so here FD 100, that means this FD is the command, FD is the command, but this 100 is the value. That you can say argument also. Okay, so these commands will work with that value also. That means turtle will move forward. That suppose turtle position is this, and I have given this command to the turtle, this command given to the turtle, and this turtle will move from here to here in this direction, and this is at 100 steps. What is that? 100 steps. This is 100 steps turtle will move forward. In this way that turtle will work with the command. That means some commands having that some value also, this is known as argument. But CS, this is clear screen. Without any value it is used. Without any value it is used. That means directly we will write CS and it will clear the screen. We will write enter key. This is indication of enter key. This is indication of enter key. Okay. So this is indication of enter key. So in such a way we will write that logo commands. Now we understand. So turtle commands that are related to that action, that is move, turn, and pain command. That means movement command, that means forward, backward, and home. And right turn, left turn, two turning commands, and pain related commands we will discuss later. So these all we will discuss later. That means in next phase, next video, or next time. Now we understand that what do you mean about that turtle FD command. So turtle FD command means given the number of steps to the head direction, turtle moves forward. How much? Given number of steps that we have discussed, and in head direction. That means if given command is that forward 60, so FD 60, it means what? That we see. So it means turtle is having that in head direction, so turtle will go here, and turtle will draw the line, and turtle will come here, and this much is, this is 60 steps. How much is that? 60 steps. So this is known as, so this is known as 60 steps. Now that FD 100, that means turtle will move forward, and it will go, so it will go 100 steps forward. That means here, that is 100 steps. Okay, so this is unable to write that straight line like this, that we will write, so straight line. Okay, so we will discuss that one. Backward, so back means turtle is having this position, and if you have given that back 100, that means turtle will come and draw the line in this back direction, and turtle position will be this. So this 100 steps back, 100 steps back. Okay, this is a starting position. This is starting position. This is a starting position, and after applying that after command, that means after BK 100, command. So turtle is this position. That means turtle will draw the line in a back direction. Okay. Next, home. So what is that home purpose that you see? So when turtle is starting position is this, and turtle is drawing here, and after that turtle is turning here, and after turning turtle goes here. So turtle has to move in this direction, but we call here that home command. When we call the home command, so home, when we will write home command, so turtle position is this, but turtle will receive and get starting position, initial position. That means starting position or middle of that screen. Middle of the screen. Middle of a screen. That means turtle will get the home place. What does that mean by home place? Where turtle started to work. This is the home place. Okay. Now next. So we understand that how to draw and how to write the command for these all. The first number that you see, number of steps not given, that you can specify here that 10. So if 10 steps given, here also 10 steps. So according to given value you can write that command. Starting position is this, that means we will write that first. We will give that command fd 10. After that turtle will get the place a position like this, and turtle will go in this direction, but turtle has to turn here. That means turtle will rotate here. That means we will write here RT and 90. So here that you see, I am going to draw again here, that you see this is that place, and turtle is not going in this direction, turtle is turning in this way, and turtle face will become like this to draw this line. That means this one is angle is 90 degree. So right turn, that means RT, what will be here? RT 90. So we have to write here RT 90. After that FD again 10, and that will finish this one command. That means we have to write only 3 commands to draw the first number. This is the first number solution. In second number you see here turtle will not go in this direction, turtle will turn here, and turtle here also turtle will not go in this direction, turtle will turn here. That you see here, that is RT, and here is that LT. That 90 angle will be there, because this is also 90 degree angle, this one, and this one also here 90 degree. Okay, that means 90 degree, that will be 90 degree, here also 90. So what we will write that command for the second one? So first of all we will write that, suppose here given value is that 50. How much given? 50. So number of steps that given 50. So FD we will write here FD 50. After that turtle will place here, and turtle position will be here, and turtle will rotate here. That means RT 90. Again turtle will move from here to here. So if turtle will move here from here to here, that means again here FD 50. Now turtle will not go in this direction, turtle will rotate here. That means LT 90, and after that turtle will get the place or get the face in this upper direction. So now again FD 50. This is the second one answer. That if any difficulty, that you can try to repeat this one video and you understand that. If any difficulty after that, I will give more and more examples to you, so it will be easier to understand to you. Now we go for the next question, that is question number 3rd. That you see here what's happening. So here also turtle will not go in this direction, turtle will rotate here, and this one rotation is that left turn or right turn. That you see, if you are having that here, this one is face, So this one is right side, this one is left side. So you put yourself at this place in the head direction, and then you see that left direction you have to use, or you turn, or you have to turn right side. So here will be that left turn. Okay, and here turtle is moving in this direction, and after that turtle is going to rotate in this direction. So here will be RT. Any problem? So that you can understand, so in which direction it will go, so according to use. So that means here at this place, suppose that the head direction is like this, so head will go in this. So here will be right, and here will be left. Here will be right, and here will be left. That you can see, you can understand here according to the position of the turtle head. So now what command we will write for this third one, that you understand. If 100 steps given by default, that you understand, and you assume that first of all every 100, so turtle will move here and turtle will come here, and next is that left turn, so LT 90. After that turtle will move these steps, that means FD again, so FD 100. Then turtle will also right turn, so RT 90. Then turtle will go forward for that upper direction, that means again FD 100. So these commands we need to write to draw this third number figure, third number question. I hope it's clear to you all. Yes or no? So now we move for the next question, question number 4. In this question, little bit that twist is there, that here is that head direction is this. Okay, head direction is this one. So that means in this direction, turtle is not going to draw the line. Turtle needs to draw the line here. That means turtle needs to draw this side line. That means turtle will turn at first. That means here will be at first right turn. After that turtle will not draw in this way, so turtle will rotate in this way, and here will be LT, left turn. So here again you see, after drawing, the turtle is going to in this phase, but turtle will turn here. That means again here RT. So now if we assume that 100 steps are there, that after putting the directions, that in which direction turtle will turn, it's very easier to write that command. So at first we need to write here that RT 90. After that FD for this one movement, so FD 100. After that turtle will get this position, and turtle head will be in this direction, but turtle will not draw in this way, turtle will turn. That means LT 90. After that turtle position is that in upper direction, so it will move, so FD 100. After that turtle will be here, and turtle face will be head will be in this direction. So but turtle needs to turn, because turtle need to draw in this way. So right turn again here RT 90, and after that turtle will draw that number of steps, that here FD 100. In this way, that you see that 4 number figure that we have to write these all commands to draw. So here first we need to rotate, we need to change the place of that turtle head, in which direction turtle has to draw the line. So according to that direction where line has to draw, that turtle face we need to change. So we need to rotate, we need to turn. So that's why here first command is that RT, because turtle will turn at first, and then right turn is there, and then after that turtle will draw the line. Okay, now we go for that question number 5. As I think this one also like the same, turtle head is that in one, and turtle will not go in this way, turtle needs to draw line in this way. So that means turtle will turn here, that means LT will be first. After that turtle will not go in this direction, turtle needs to turn here, that means RT will be here, and turtle will not go in this direction, turtle needs to draw here, that means turn here, that is LT will be here. That means after assuming the turning position of the turtle at the corner, that we can write easily the command. I hope 5 number question you can write, so you will get help from the 4 number and you will write that. I have described here also. Now we move for that 10 questions. 6 number I provide that will be better. That maybe this one is drawing is not difficult, that one to understand, so I change this one, that will be better. So this is 100 steps, this is 50, this is 20, and this is 20, and this is 120. Okay, so 7 number I try to draw the figure in a very straight way. Okay, 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 I have done very good this one. So suppose this is 100 steps, this is 20, this is 50, and this is 50. Now 8 number question I am going to give you. So here, after that this, after that this, after that this. So you can write that command for these all. So I am giving you, this is a homework for you. You all write that 100, 20, 60, and 40. Okay. So 9 number question very easy I gave you. Okay. This is again that in a not good direction. Okay, my dear, no problem. That I want to erase this one, but how can I erase that? I want to erase this one. I draw again. Okay, that will be better. That I will draw in a good way. I will try to work hard. Straight, 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 my dear. Yes, that's good. After that this, after that this. Oh, straight, my dear. Go straight, go straight, go straight, go straight. Very good. Well then, I have tried very well. 100 steps, 50, this one 60, and this one 50, this one 60. And 10 number questions, only steps I provide you, that 1, 2, 3, this one. Okay. So 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. These are 10 questions you will write in a copy, and I hope you can write. And if any doubt, you can comment in my YouTube channel and you can ask the questions. I will provide you the solution also of this one. Okay. So now, thank you, my dear. So thank you to you all, and I hope you have learned something today. So thank you. Be safe. At home you stay and do study well. Thank you.